Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I received this Smitten in Switzerland palette by BH Cosmetics as one of the, I believe, yeah, one of the big Facebook hauls that I do once in a while. And I had no idea that this was a thing or what it would look like. But look at how cute this is. I swatched it a little bit. And I've actually used it a little bit as well. It's really cute. It's really cute, and there's a lot more color built into this than I thought there would be. I don't know if it's still available. I think BH Cosmetics had like a tourist line where they did different cities around the world. The names are very Swiss-y, Swissy, but I don't know that the colors are necessarily. But let's go ahead and swatch it, and you can let me know what you think. I'm going to start at the top left and work my way across, and then down, obviously. All right, here we go. All right, if I can't fit 16 of these on my arm, I'm going to be very mad at myself, but I'm going to have to start very close together. My fingers are a little stained from the previous swatches, so I don't think that'll matter because I've washed them and the color hasn't come off, so hopefully it won't pick up on these swatches. First one is called Snowcap. It should be a very fair, almost white matte, and it is. Then there's, I'm not sure how to say it, Montreux, I think. If this is a fair skin, this is not a light skin. This is fair, and this is like almost white. I don't know. This is Fondue. This is more of a light skin color, a little peachy. It's probably the closest match to my skin tone. And then we've got Slope, which is a really interesting kind of olive greeny gray color. How would you describe that? It's almost olive green, but it's a little too brown for that. And we have an olive green later that I'll get to. Next one is called Lucerne. Very pretty mauvey purple. Lighter than it looks in the pan. I haven't used it in a while, so I don't remember what I'm gonna find. Next one's called Yodel. These are so smooth. I had the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I had some issues with the formula, but these are very smooth. They remind me of the Beauty Bay palettes. That's, I don't know, it's like a muted reddish violet. More red, but a little bit purple in it. And then Zurich in Switzerland. City in Switzerland. This is kind of the metallic version of this. Maybe I'd call it more of a shimmer because it definitely has some like glittery particles in it. And this one's called Geneva. Wow, this is a lot lighter than it looks in the pan as well. This is like a pink shimmer, I guess. It's a very pretty color story, actually, looking at them in a row here. Next one is Alps. Gorgeous. It's like a champagne-y rose gold. Metallic or shimmer, I don't know, you decide. Then there's Brisk, which I believe is the only blue in the palette. It's almost like an indigo, like a purpley blue. Next is Mount Rigi? Sorry. Everybody from Switzerland just cringed. This is like an olive and gold shimmer. Beautiful. This is called Glacier Express. Oh, it's more purple than I remember. I thought it was like a slate gray or, you know, deep silver kind of shimmer, but it's got a little purple in it. I see gray, I see plum, I see brown. Cool. Okay, next one is probably my favorite. It's called Matterhorn, and it just really surprised me. It was the brightest of the bunch, and it's really solid orange. I love that. Sometimes oranges can be like really flaky, but this is really solid, and it will really hold up as a pop of color when it's used with the rest. This one's called Chocolate, because we all know about Swiss chocolate, and it is a beautiful chocolate brown. Little bit of an olive undertone I see in there, which I don't normally see in my chocolate, but I haven't had a lot of Swiss chocolate, so maybe that's the case. Next one should be that olive green. It's called Mountain. Yes. Olive greens are another one that just seem to be flaky. It's got to be something about making that color or something. It'll pair well with this. It'll pair well with that brown. And this one, but you see how much more brown this one is than the olive? The last one's just called Nightfall. It's a matte black, which is always nice to have in a palette. Basically, it goes from white to black here. I didn't expect this much of a variety when I first looked at the palette. And when I started using it, the quality was really good too. I don't know if BH Cosmetics had like a reformulated situation going on. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? I don't think they're around as a company anymore, but if this is the quality of these kinds of palettes, man, I would have gotten more of them. But the Take Me Back to Brazil, while beautiful, it was just hit and miss. Very rainbowy, very pretty, but hit and miss. Whereas almost all of these are stunning. Like in pigmentation, in ease of blending, how, just, I don't know. I loved it a lot more than I expected to, and I will continue to work with it. So thanks for joining for this video. I hope you can see these okay. Check out our entire swatch playlist. We've got lots of swatch videos on there, lipsticks and eyeshadows. I think that's it. Blush too, also. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see when more of these come out. We are art and animals here at FlyOn, and art is a lot of makeup right now. That's what we're into. It probably will be for quite a while. And we enjoy sharing it with you. So thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.